Winter's frosty breath brings with it a unique set of challenges, and snow removal often tops the list. A snowblower can be your best friend, transforming a dreaded chore into a manageable task. But with a range of options available, selecting the right snowblower is paramount. The decision boils down to two main contenders: walk-behind snowblowers and their larger, more powerful siblings, ride-on snowblowers. Each comes with its own set of advantages, catering to different needs and property sizes. Understanding your requirements and the capabilities of each type will guide you towards the perfect snow-clearing companion. Choosing the right snowblower can make all the difference. It can mean the difference between a back-breaking chore and a swift, efficient clearing process. Whether you're dealing with a light dusting or a heavy blizzard, the right equipment will make your winter a whole lot easier. So, let's delve into the world of walk-behind and ride-on snowblowers, exploring their strengths and helping you determine which one suits your needs best. Walk-behind snowblowers are the trusty steeds of snow removal, offering a balance of power and maneuverability. These compact machines are easy to operate, making them suitable for homeowners of all ages and physical abilities. Their size allows them to navigate tight corners and walkways with ease, making them ideal for smaller properties with intricate landscapes. Walk-behind models excel in clearing moderate snowfalls on sidewalks, driveways, and patios. They are perfect for clearing a path to your front door, carving out a parking space, or tackling a small to medium-sized driveway. Their lightweight design makes them easy to store, a significant advantage for those with limited garage space. With a variety of models available, you can choose one with the clearing width and power that best suits your needs. For smaller properties or those who experience relatively light snowfall, a walk-behind snowblower can be the perfect solution. These nimble machines are designed to handle snowfalls of up to about 10 inches with ease, quickly clearing paths and driveways. Their compact size makes them ideal for navigating narrow walkways and tight spaces, ensuring every corner of your property is snow-free. Don't let their size fool you though. Walk-behind snowblowers are packed with features that make snow removal efficient and convenient. Many models offer adjustable clearing widths and multiple speed settings, allowing you to customize the machine's performance to the specific snow conditions and the task at hand. This versatility makes them a practical choice for a wide range of homeowners. Section 4. Chutes and speeds customizing your snow removal. One of the standout features of walk-behind snowblowers is their customizable settings. Most models come equipped with adjustable chutes that allow you to control the direction of the snow discharge. This is particularly useful for directing snow away from walkways, driveways, and landscaping features, preventing snow buildup in unwanted areas. In addition to adjustable chutes, walk-behind snowblowers often feature multiple speed settings. This allows you to adjust the speed of the machine to match the snow conditions and the terrain. For light, fluffy snow, a lower speed setting will suffice. However, for heavier, wetter snow, a higher speed setting will provide the power needed to effectively clear the snow. These customizable features put you in control, ensuring efficient and precise snow removal every time. Section 5. The power players ride-on snowblowers for heavy-duty clearing. When winter unleashes its fury in the form of heavy snowfall, ride-on snowblowers emerge as the champions of snow removal. These robust machines are designed to tackle large areas and deep snow with unmatched efficiency and speed. Imagine clearing a driveway the length of a basketball court or more in a fraction of the time it would take with a walk-behind model. That's the power of a ride-on snowblower. Ride-on snowblowers are equipped with powerful engines and large clearing widths, allowing them to move significant amounts of snow with each pass. Their intuitive controls make them surprisingly easy to operate, even for first-time users. With features like headlights for nighttime snow removal and heated hand grips for added comfort, ride-on snowblowers turn a potentially arduous task into a more manageable and even enjoyable experience.